In this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to rank immediately on page 1 in Google using Semrush and ChatGPT. Let me show you how. The first step for figuring out what to produce a piece of content for that can actually rank quickly is to do keyword research to see if it actually would make sense. So what I did is I went into Semrush and typed in the keyword Shopify keyword research. I wanted to get some content related to that. And what I saw was long tail keyword research for Shopify stores as an opportunity for building a piece of content that doesn't have huge search volume, but I've seen cases where a piece of content or a keyword that shows search volume of 0 to 10 actually produces hundreds of clicks per month. So it's definitely not a bad idea if the content would make sense for you and your market to create a piece of content related to a topic that you want to have content for. So long tail keyword research for Shopify stores became the topic that I wanted to produce a piece of content for. Now, next thing I did was went into ChatGPT and asked ChatGPT to give me an article outline for an article about long tail keyword research for Shopify stores. And part of the process there is to refine the output as ChatGPT gives it to you. The initial outline is probably not going to be exactly what you want. So, as you can see from the actual post on the site here, I asked it to give us questions and answers, and you can see some of these pieces of data here. And then I also asked it to provide benefits and then a step-by-step for how to do this. And then lastly, how to implement this and give us exact information on how this can be implemented on a Shopify store. And then you can see the step-by-step guide at the bottom here as well. So all of that then allowed me to continue building this piece of content into something that is not only possible to rank in Google, but also helpful and useful for somebody who is looking for how to do keyword research. And that brought me to this Miro board here, which then allowed me to create a video from this. And then inception, I'm creating a video based on the video, which is interesting. But anyway, this piece of content here allowed me to build this out and then rank the video in Google as well. So not only does the article page here rank, the video that I created ranks as well in Google for that same search, and it ranks in YouTube. So this piece of content here is also helpful and useful for somebody to look through and figure out what needs to be done to do keyword research for Shopify. And the next pieces actually just wanted to show you what this actually looks like. So here is the ranking chart for the key phrase long tail keyword research for Shopify stores. And you can see before it was indexed on the site, no rank, and then it got indexed immediately, ranking at number 7. And then and this is 0 link building, just the piece of content here, and then the YouTube video as well. And then you see here it bounced down to number 11, bounced around a little bit, and right now it's at number 5 for desktop search, and mobile search is at number 2. So the next steps then in how to build this strategy further and what else can be done would be going back to Semrush and looking at additional keywords and phrases that would make sense to focus on. And then secondly would be looking at and continuing to optimize this page. And here are some additional opportunities that I'll be working on. One is featured snippets. So figuring out what keywords and phrases are actually generating featured snippet results, and then working to rank in those featured snippets and working to capture those. And what needs to be done for that would be to probably work to better optimize the steps here and or implement and improve the how-to section better. So that would be one opportunity. Another is working to rank and show up in the generative AI results as well for any of these related searches. And then lastly would be to optimize for additional or related keywords. And that would be working to rank for something like best keyword research tools for Shopify stores. That may be something to target on the same page, maybe something to create a new piece of content for. But either way, using Semrush with some just initial brief keyword research and then ChatGPT to build the outline with manual customization and manual editing allowed me to not only find a piece of content and a keyword that can rank immediately, but then create that piece of content and rank it immediately on Google. So hopefully this video was helpful and valuable, gave you some ideas as to how that you can implement this for your site. And that's it. See you in the next one.